point. This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're trying back. All the way.
The Big Bang!
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! Oh yeah? We'll see about that.
Rocket, get us home.
You know what would really help? An instruction manual. We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this.
Milk gives me gas.
We're here. It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Velveteen, ring your star blasters. We have him contained, but not for long. Our world would have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Hey.
We're back. Locking coordinates for Epcot.
It's epic. Remind me to raise our rate.
Love that ride.
The Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guardians.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?